Welcome back to the shop. All right, today we're getting the TA out of here. Most people don't see these big doors open very often in this shop because we only open them up when we're utilizing the middle, and this TA has been sitting in the middle for quite some time. Well, those times are changing. We're getting this thing pushed out, moved back over here on the 2-post lift so we can start putting the engine in it. We got to put the fuel tank in it, put the engine in it. Lots of work, but we're going to push it out and blast under the hood, just knock the dust and the dirt and the grime off of it, and get ready to paint it. All right, knock the dust off of it. I didn't think I was going to wash the whole thing off, which I didn't wash it with soap. I just blasted it, but I had to carefully go around the window, which I did a pretty good job. Here's a couple drops, but it's not a big deal. It needs a couple drops of water. Wash off some of this dust anyhow. Like I said, no soap was used, just knocking the dust and the bird crap off of it, because we do have birds that fly in, like sit on those rafters. It is what it is. That knocked off a pile, a few years of dust at least, and we'll take some air, blow all this mess off, and see what it looks like after that. Don't know if I need to use any degreaser or not. If I do, I will, and then we'll blast it off one more time. and then roll it back in on the other side on the 2-post. Put that golf cart and those 4-wheelers in here in the middle. Get those out of the way. Trying to eliminate some of my junk laying around this place and get somewhat organized, which I always say, but I never do. All right, let's blow this thing off of there and see where we stand. Rearranged our junk pile. Got golf cart and 4-wheeler junk in the middle. I'm not gonna call Robert's Trans Am junk, but it's on the 2-post. We're watching little Cletus and cars on the big screen and on the computer. Looks like old Cleater's about to make a pass and mullet, which we're a fan of. So we like El Caminos around here and mullets. So that's it. That's just a short little video to show you what I got going on Saturday afternoon after we got done with some sports activities with the kiddos. And I don't know, we might piddle around with it later some or work on it some tomorrow, depending on what the rain does, because we got a baseball tournament with one of my sons tomorrow that may get rained out. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, bell notification if you want to see my videos drop when I post them. Thanks for checking me out. Thanks guys, peace.